Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Kraken to your crypto.com. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is open up your Kraken app and then you have to click on this portfolio option from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you have in your account. So you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. I'm going to transfer Bitcoin. So I will just select Bitcoin from here. Then on the screen, you just have to click on this three dot menu at the top right corner, and then from this window you have to click on withdraw. After that, you have to choose the network that you want to use to transfer your Bitcoin. I'm going to select the default network Bitcoin. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your crypto.com account. Then you have to click on this withdraw to section. Then it's going to open up this screen where you have to paste the wallet address from your crypto address crypto.com. So open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option. From here, click on crypto wallet. Then you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. I'm going to select Bitcoin. Then from this window, click on deposit. Then again select Bitcoin from here. Then you have to select the network that you want to use. You have to select the same network that you have selected in your Kraken app. And then you just have to click on this copy button right next to your address. And after that, open up your Kraken app again and paste the wallet address. Then click on next. Then you can also add a description if you want and then click on next. Then again click on save and continue button, and it will send a email to your registered email ID to your Kraken. You have to open up your email ID and you will find this similar email. You just have to scroll down and then click on this confirm address button. Then your address will be approved. Then you can go back to the Kraken app and then enter amount and then click on this review button. Then it will ask you to confirm this withdrawal. So be make sure to check your network amount and the address that you have entered. Once you have confirmed these things, you need to swipe to confirm, and as soon as you do, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Kraken to your crypto.com account. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.